How long does it take to get a family sponsorship visa to the United States? On average, the I-130 filed by your sponsor usually takes between 5 to 19 months to be processed. The United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, processes the petition on a first-come, first-served basis. Your sponsor can expedite the process by submitting the form as early as possible. The first step in the family-based green card procedure is to file the I-130 petition with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Filing the I-130 petition puts you in line for a family sponsorship-related green card as one becomes available. Unless you are the spouse, parent, or unmarried child, under the age of 21, of a U.S. citizen, your place in line is decided by your priority date, which is essentially the day United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, received your I-130 petition. Typically, petitions are handled in the order in which they are received. Immediate relative. There is an infinite number of immigrant visas available for immediate family members, spouse, children, and parents, of U.S. citizens, and approval can be acquired in 5 to 19 months. Because there is no visa restriction for the immediate related category, there is a minimal wait. The following visa categories are available for immediate relatives. IR1, spouse of a U.S. citizen. IR2, unmarried child under 21 years of age of a U.S. citizen. IR3, orphan adopted abroad by a U.S. citizen. IR4, orphan to be adopted in the U.S. by a U.S. citizen. IR5, parent of a U.S. citizen who is at least 21 years old. Family preference. For family preference visas, for example, siblings, processing times can range anywhere from 13.5 months to 20 or more years. The following visa categories are available for family preference. Family first preference, F1, unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, and their minor children, if any. Family second preference, F2, spouses, minor children, and unmarried sons and daughters, age 21 and over, of a lawful permanent residence, LPRs. Family third preference, F3, married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, and their spouses and minor children. Family fourth preference, F4, brothers and sisters of U.S. citizens, and their spouses and minor children, provided the U.S. citizens are at least 21 years of age. Thanks for watching TELECOMRECORD Entertainment, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel, then view link in description below.